What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about BinaryCent. BinaryCent is a cutting-edge binary options broker that offers a seamless trading experience with a wide range of assets and innovative features. With advanced tools, competitive leverage, and the ability to trade using cryptocurrencies, BinaryCent empowers traders to capitalize on market opportunities and achieve the financial goals. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits. BinaryCent offers trading in over 15 currencies, making it accessible for traders of all experience levels. The ability to trade a variety of assets allows for diversification and the ability to capitalize on different market opportunities. The minimum deposit to start trading with BinaryCent is just $250, making it affordable for everyone. The platform also offers a low minimum investment per trade, as low as 10 cents, allowing traders to manage their risk effectively. BinaryCent provides advanced trading tools, including a customizable charting package, leverage up to 1 to 100, and a copy trading feature that allows traders to automatically copy the trades of successful professionals. These tools help traders make more informed decisions and potentially maximize their outcomes. The platform uses SSL encryption to ensure the security of traders' personal data and funds. BinaryCent is verified by Visa and MasterCard, providing an additional layer of trust and security for its clients. Traders can fund their accounts and withdraw funds using a variety of methods, including credit card and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The broker charges a 5% fee for credit card deposits but has no fees for other payment methods. Withdrawals have a minimum amount of $50. Now, let's talk about some of its potential drawbacks. BinaryCent is not licensed or regulated by any financial authorities, which may raise concerns about the safety and reliability of the platform for some traders. Unregulated brokers are not subject to the same oversight and consumer protection measures as regulated ones. The broker provides a limited amount of educational materials and resources for traders, especially those new to binary options trading. This could be a disadvantage for traders seeking in-depth guidance and training to improve their skills and knowledge. While BinaryCent has an affordable minimum investment per trade, the minimum deposit to open an account is $250. This may be a barrier for some traders, especially those with limited capital or who are just starting out. While binary options trading offers the potential for high returns, it's crucial for traders to thoroughly research the market, choose a reputable broker, and develop a solid trading strategy to mitigate risks and maximize their chances of success. By approaching binary options trading with caution, discipline, and commitment to continuous learning, traders can navigate this unique market and work towards achieving their financial goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.